Hi friends! Today we're learning about the it word family. These are words that all end with et, like net and pet. Let's go on an exciting adventure to find more et words together. Are you ready? Let's go! Look, it's a net. Let's sound out the word net together. First we add n to et. N, et, n, et, net. A net is something we use to catch things. Great job sounding it out. Oh, look at this pet. To spell pet, let's add p to et. P, et, p, et, pet. Pets are animals we love and care for. Let's see what's next. Wow, check out this jet. To spell jet, we add j to et. J, et, j, et, jet. Jets are super fast. Let's see what other words we can find. We've discovered so many words today. Let's read them together and add a couple more. N, et, net. P, et, pet. J, et, jet. S, et, set. V, et, vet. Great job! Thanks for joining me on our et family adventure, friends. Keep practicing and try learning other word families like in or ig. See you next time on Shon Stories, where we're always reading, singing, laughing, learning, and growing. Bye, friend.